Meteorologist Chad Evans, certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, we're down to 5 here at the TV station, but where we have a little bit more wind and a couple patches of lake at that cloud cover. Temperatures still holding 10 to 15 from Rochester down to Burlington and Kokomo, but it's 8 in Peru, 6 at Attica, and 7 at Fowler. And Mary Ann's weather station up there in Remington, 8 degrees. Now we'll likely drop to near 3, then start to rise after 4 a.m. as a southeast breeze kicks in, and that southeast breeze will bring slightly warmer weather tomorrow, so 28 by 4, but high thin clouds will thicken and lower through the day and will be overcast by tomorrow evening with a pretty brisk southeast wind at times, 10 to 15 miles per hour. A brief wave of light snow will pass tomorrow evening between 9 p.m. and 1 a.m. with a little minor accumulation. Once that goes through, tomorrow night and early Friday morning, a little patchy light freezing drizzle could occur as well. And then we watch the big storm system for the weekend, which will start out as a mix of rain, a cold rain at that, a little sleet and a little snow before we're going to all snow Saturday night and beginning to taper slowly Sunday with a lot of wind as well. Now tonight, though, mid to upper single digits in our northeast counties, 3 Lafayette, Frankfort, 2 Attica, 1 in Pence. But once again, these numbers will slowly rise from southwest to northeast after 4 a.m. as the southeast breeze does begin to kick in. With thickening, increasing clouds tomorrow, 25 to 30 for the high. Again, that southeast wind, a little bitter cold out there, even though it's going to be a little warmer than it was today. 27 Chalmers and Camden, and about 27 at Delphi. There come the high and mid-level clouds tomorrow. It'll be overcast by later tomorrow evening. Here's that brief wave of snow with a little minor accumulation, and then towards early Friday morning, a little patchy light freezing drizzle here and there. And snowfall totals, again, with that wave of snow between 9 p.m. and 1 a.m. Near an inch in our northern counties, Rensselaer, Winamac, Rochester, half-inch Monticello, perhaps a little coating here in Lafayette, 0.1 Frankfort, and about a third of an inch towards Delphi, half-inch towards Logansport. Storm system over the weekend will start in Missouri, round up the Ohio River, start out as rain, sleet, and a little snow, change to all snow Saturday night into Sunday. Potentials there for some fairly substantial snow, and there will be a band of heavy snow with this system nearby. Then the Arctic air roars in for early next week, and a little minor snowfall accumulation not out of the question as we get towards early next week. Preliminary snowfall totals, though, this is what we're looking at towards, again, Saturday night, part of Sunday. With the low riding up the Ohio River, looks like the heaviest snow band's probably going to be Chicago, back towards the Springfield, Illinois area, also just north of Lincoln, Illinois. We could see over 8 inches here in that area. For us, towards Indianapolis, 1 to 2. For our viewing area, overall, about 2 to 4. The 4 to 6 inch band mainly to our northwest. Now, this could change, but right now my thinking is the really heavy band could actually be in central Illinois and up here towards Chicago. Again, this is the WLFI viewing area. Tonight, though, 3, mostly clear, temps slowly rising very late. 28 for the high tomorrow, clouding up and a bit breezy. And then over the next 7 days, after starting out as a bit of a sloppy mix, it'll go to all snow Saturday night into Sunday with accumulation, and then very cold to start next week. Right now, 2 to 4, but even with 2 to 4 inches of snow, with winds gusting over 30 miles an hour, still a lot of travel issues on Sunday.
And this weather, not typical of early December.
Very early to be getting this cold. It's more like late January.
Okay, thanks, Chad.
Okay.
Michael Up is in the